Hi guys, Rod from Vacuum Warehouse. Short video on how to maintain your Miele vacuum cleaner. Very straightforward. Mieles are designed to last a very long time. All you have to do is make sure to maintain them. That entails changing the bag and the filters on time. It's very easy to change the bag. Pull the bag right out. The new one has 2 arrows here, 2 arrows on this bracket. You push it in and you want to hear it click. This bracket here stays exactly where it is. Don't take it out, don't push it in or anything like that. This is designed to stay like that. This filter, very easy. The filters you get in a bag, in the box, are larger, so just cut it to size, you're good. And this filter very easily comes out and you replace it with a new one. These 2 filters change once a year. The bags change when they're full. The one thing that I want to make sure to talk about is if you ever open the lid on these vacuum cleaners, the bag comes out of its place. So if you open the lid without taking the bag out, make sure the bag is pushed back into its place before you close the lid and continue vacuuming. That is extremely important. Do not pick up any types of liquid like water. Stay away from construction dust, especially drywall dust. It's a wet dust, it's damp, it goes into the motor, clumps up, and it'll kill your vacuum. This is not a vacuum to be used for construction cleanups, so pretty straightforward. If you do that, change the bag and filters when you need to, these vacuums should last you 20 years. We've seen that happen many times. If you have any questions, 1-877-220-5656. Thanks.